you. I was kinda, kasi you're still kapuso, parang may ano pa rin lang sa'yo. So sabi ko,
Oh my God, we need to talk. I have something to open up sa'yo.
oh really? Oh.
Like, kung pwede na tayo lumabas.
Oh, sige,
This
later.
one naririnig tayo. And then continue.
Anyways, yeah. So sabi ko, I will listen lang. Pero ako, I took offense for you. Kasi as a person, parang, hindi lang ako.
You're not the
I'm
only
not,
one.
I don't feel like that with those groups.
Yeah.
I mean, you can get described as, minsan. But, yeah, anyways. So I was like, grabe.
But to define somebody.
Yes. At kung malaman mo lang kung gaano ka, I was telling you, see, you're so beautiful inside and out. Because of, alam ko,
Ang sarap pala pag iniinit yung Dunkin'.
Ang ganun.
Parang mas, anong pag pinainit mo yung ensimada?
Alam mo.
Tsaka yung mga cinnamon rolls. Yes, sarap. Hala. Ha? Sino yun?
Sneer. Dalhin sa storage room.
Hindi, kasi pag sa kwarto, sa magbabag.
Paano ba tayo nag-uusap pa? Wala rin ang tao. Bango lang ako. Wala kang kausap si Kira din.
May naglalaro ba ng tumbler?
Wala. Tayo, tahimik lang. Gusto na rin tayong to each other.